Hello, let me show you how to check Find Device status in Xiaomi by using IMEI. Firstly, you have to open a browser and then go to IMEI.info website. When you are here, just enter your IMEI number, go for captcha protection and click on check. Wait a moment. Now you can see whole specification about your Xiaomi. Then you should choose check Find Device status, click again at check and wait 10 seconds while your order is processing. There you go. Here you can come up with plenty of very useful information. Here is Find Device status. So in our case, Find Device status is off, so device status is unprotected. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.